Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 15. Talking negatively about the restaurant.
So how did you like the restaurant?
Actually, it could have been better.
What didn't you like about it?
It is a new restaurant. I don't think they have their act together yet.
What did you think about the food?
I felt that the food was pretty mediocre.
The service wasn't that great, either.
I agree. The service was not good.
Do you think that you want to try this restaurant another time?
No, I think that I've had enough of this restaurant.
Did you enjoy the restaurant?
I didn't really like it all that much.
What do you think the problem was?
Well, they're pretty new. I just didn't feel that they were ready to open yet.
How did you feel about the food?
The food wasn't all that exciting.
I didn't think that the service was good, either.
Yes, the service certainly didn't add to the experience.
Would you like to return to this restaurant?
Maybe we could try it again in a few months, when things have settled down.
How do you feel about that restaurant?
It wasn't all that great.
What did you dislike the most?
I don't think that they had their act together. They didn't seem well prepared.
Did you think that the food was any good?
I wasn't all that impressed by the food.
The service certainly could have been better.
The service did not help the situation.
Is this a restaurant that you want to come back to?
I am not really interested in trying this restaurant again. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.